好. Today, let's go through some whole syllables which contains initials and finals. One feature of the whole syllable is the long sound which the single initials or finals don't have. So, when you pronounce these whole syllables, be sure to make a longer and a louder sound. So, let's start with zhi. To say zhi, say zhi followed by yi. Please repeat after me. Zhi, zhi, zhi. Let's try the rest. Chi, chi, chi. Next one is shi, shi, shi. Next one is ri, ri, ri. Next one is zi, zi, zi. Next one is ci, ci, ci. Next one is si, si, si. Next one is e, e, e. Let's try one more. Oo, oo, oo. Next is you. You can put it together, e and o, to get you. Please repeat after me. You, you, you. Next is yeah, similar to yeah. Please repeat after me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Next is yeah. Again, we can add sounds from yi and yue to make yue. So please repeat after me. Yue, yue, yue. Let's try yuan. Same as before, we combine two words, yu and an, to make yuan. Please repeat after me. Yuan, yuan, yuan. Next, let's try yin. Put more emphasis on the sound yin to get yin. Please repeat after me. Yin, yin, yin. Make sure you do not add a g sound at the end of yin. Next one is yun, which is basically yun, with more emphasis on it. Yun. Please repeat after me. Yun, 晕，晕。The last one, 音. It is very similar to 音, but with more emphasis on the e at the beginning. 音. Please repeat after me. 音，音，音. In this lesson, we have learned several whole syllables. 知, 吃, 诗, 日, 滋, 呲, 思, 一, 乌, 鱼, 耶, 月, 渊, 阴, 晕, 应. We have now learned all syllables in the pinyin system. Well done! Next time, we will learn the 4 accents in pinyin system. See you then. 再见。